Starting with the female end of the compact trench drain. Connect the lengths together by taking the male end of the trench drain and connecting into the female end of the next length of trench drain. Continue this process until you reach the desired length of trench drain. To remove the grate, simply use a flathead screwdriver to unlock the 6 tabs per length of trench drain. To reattach the grates, use a rubber mallet to set the locking tabs into place. To change direction on our compact trench drain, use our compact corner piece to either direct the corner to the left or right direction. At this point, you could either cap off the trench drain or continue a trench drain by attaching another male end of the trench drain into the corner piece. At the end of your desired length, use a compact end cap to cap off at the female end of the trench drain.